Hi everyone, this is Ivy Arts again, and for this video I'm going to show you how I made use of this extra fabric from my husband's pajamas. So let's go right away to folding the ends of the pajama, and as you see I already cut the part where because this pajama is really long for him, so I already cut that part. And then I was thinking of making a scrunchie from the extra fabric, but later on you will see what I did instead of a scrunchie. So yeah, the speed is times 2. I could make it like times 10, but I kind of like the sound of the sewing machine. How about you guys? Do you like that sound? I do. Yes. So by the way, throughout the video, my voice is really quiet. I'm really quite quiet, but I'm not whispering. Just because it's already evening and then I could not sleep, so I just decided to do this project. It's not too late though. It's I think 9 o'clock, but somebody's already sleeping, so I have to be quiet somehow. And now this is my extra fabric, so of course I have to detach that fold from there. Detach, what's the word, guys? Yeah, so I have to make it like a bigger so I can have a bigger fabric. So there you go, and just enjoy the sound. I really love the sound right there. So the way I did it, I kind of put it in between the stitches, but it didn't do the job because I thought it will detach everything, but no. Right, so although it's really satisfying to do that because it's easier and the sound is like ASMR, but actually it didn't do the job. So as you can see, it's still attached, right? So we really have to dig here and do that one. It's still satisfying though, but we have to be careful because this is pointed, so we don't want to damage our fabric, right? So you can also use this part. So this button, what do you call this? So this red circle right here will protect the fabric from getting what damage. So see, it will still do its job. So although I wish this is longer, but that's fine. So it's safer to use that one than the other side, which is really pointed. And we're almost done. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay. Oops, there's one more. Okay, there you go. Now that we have this, we're just going to clean it. So right now I am thinking of making a scrunchie, so I'm going to attach this together and just make sure everything is straight, so both lines together, and pin them. And then we're going to sew the sides. We're going to stitch the sides of this fabric. It's totally okay to experiment. So this one is an experiment for me, so I have to decide if I want to make a scrunchie or a headband. For here, I'm going to leave this one open so I can flip it right side out. Flip, I don't know. So I'm going to start here and then end here. I don't know why I keep on saying flip, but what I mean is just open it right side out. So I got this extra elastic from my mask, and it is 11 inches. So I kind of just connected them here, and I think it will stay. So I'm just gonna recycle this one. Anyway, this will just be on the inside, so we don't worry about how it looks, right? But of course, I do have a lot of elastics. It's just that I don't want to throw it away. I'm just gonna recycle it. So just make sure that it's really firm right here. So let's open it right side out. So we're just gonna do it this way. Alright guys, I know, I'm not doing the right thing. It's really impossible to open it right side out. So let's think of another option. I forgot I wasn't actually thinking, so it's like that, right? So I was having a hard time. So what I did is just I cut this portion, okay? And now you have this really long. And then now we can turn it right side out. Alright, now this one works. So instead of making a scrunchie, I decided to make a different one. It's like 18 inches from 20. So that's kind of long. So don't worry about how much you fold here at the end. Okay, like that. And then if you have a flat iron, you can iron this one to flatten it. But if it works, if you don't, then that's good. Actually, I was thinking to create a scrunchie, but I feel like I wanted to have like a headband like that, and I have an elastic for the back, so I think I wanted to have a headband instead of a scrunchie. Let's see. Okay, so I got this one, and let's see. I might need 7 inches for this thick elastic. This is 1 inch elastic. So what I will do is, like I said, I'm just gonna fold the ends here like that. Okay, and then on the other side as well, like that. Okay, and then attach the elastic on both ends. So I'll try first with this. Okay, let me show you. So I might just need 7 inches like I said. So here it goes. So what will happen is, so I'll do it like this, like that. Fold it here, and then also fold it here, right? So it will show like that on that side. Okay. Right, so here it is. It goes like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna try it on later. So what I did is folded it this way so I can have like a perfect fit for this 1 inch band, and also on the other side. So we're gonna sew it here, so stitch that here, and then we can do double stitch, I mean, to make it like really thick and secure, and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, so here's our headband. Sorry, I wasn't able to, I didn't even fix myself, but it's okay. So here it is. Okay, and it fits perfectly. It's not loose, it's not tight, just good. And then let me just, my hair is kind of like messy today. This is like, alright, there, what is that? Okay, there you have it. There and there. So if you want buttons, you can also add buttons like right there, but I just want it like that, so plain. Yeah, there you go. Like, excuse my hair and my face today, but yeah. And how it looks in the back is, I don't know if you can see, but it's like Okay, somebody help me fix my hair. Okay, there you go. Like that. And then you can just also do your hair that way. And you wash your face. Or you do your workout. Okay, there you go. So if you have extra fabric, and this is the PJ of my husband. So if you have extra fabric, don't throw them away because you can use it for different projects. So I have my headband, my scrunchie, supposedly, but I turned it to headband. By the way, that one right there, I also altered that dress. I just don't have the video for it. So there you have it. Thanks for dropping by, and if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and please do smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.